Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make asymmetric bubu gown style. Asymmetric bubu gown styles. You'll be needing your fabric, staple, scissors, tailor's chalk. Fold your fabric into four. Input your vertical measurements as seen here. Input your horizontal measurements. Mark your desired neckline as seen here. Mark shoulder plus sleeve length measurements. Slope shoulder by 1.5 inch and connect. Connect bust to armhole as seen here. Cut it out and open it this way. Come down on one shoulder by 3 inches or as you desired. Connect to the other sleeve as seen here. Cut it out this way. Attach a stripe from the front to back as seen here. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.